Yeah. Sir. Yeah. Sir. 1 minute.
Today you have had an election with the panch members of Cortalim constituency, and you have spoken about Konkani language also. Tell us something more about that.
Konkani language for the promotion, I will do the maximum because it is a mandate of the Constitution. Constitution, in 1956 there is an amendment, and because of that amendment, mother tongue should be given the first priority. So that is why I am also promoting as a chancellor of the university. I have given direction, and I'm about to complete my village visit, and after 6 months, now 60% I covered. First time this type of travel by head of the state, and I hope within 6 months I complete my visit to villages, and the whole villages, especially Panchayats I will cover. I am going to cover. So that will be an achievement. And I am believing in Gandhiji's concept of Grama Swaraj and other things. All public workers are servants of the people. Governor is also, people are supreme, and governor will serve them. For that purpose I am doing it.
So you think the government should stress more to give importance to Konkani language?
No, the university I have given direction to start centers in other places. In Karnataka and Kerala, Konkani speaking people are there. For them, this language has to be promoted, and Konkani is an ancient language, a beautiful language, and the promotion of that language is the need of the hour.
So there was recently an issue in Karwar about the Konkani signboards that were deleted.
That I don't know what means. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Sir, I speech ditna you have spoken about the lack of crematorium sites, final rights.
First of all, I want to thank our honorable Governor of Goa, Sir Shreedharan Pillai, sir, because this is the first time, because this is my third term as an alien a panch as well as a sarpanch. Also now I am a deputy sarpanch of Panchayats of Cortalim. So we got an opportunity to speak with the governor. So it is the first time we are getting, because not only I, all the panch members from many different panchayats, so all got an opportunity to speak with the governor. And also we interacted with the governor that the problems we are facing in our panchayat. So there is a big issue facing in our panchayat is that our panchayat is a highly densely populated area, is very narrow. And there is no crematorium over there. So I gave her some my problems. I just in front of the governor, even I got a chance to speak in front of the governor as well as our honorable MLA was there. So I just said this one thing because we can solve this problem, because we have been elected by the people of this village. So I got an opportunity to speak in front of the governor as well as the the MLA was there, also a ZP member was there. So I got an opportunity, so I spoke. There are many other problems that people are facing, because even whatever thing we done before from our last tenure, we got a garbage plant in Sankal village itself. And now the next step is we are going to put up a Panchayat Ghar in Sankal village itself, because during my last tenure, I got an opportunity to buy the land because some sponsors sponsored us. So now next step is that we'll be laying the foundation stone for the Panchayat Ghar, and within 6 months I think so it will be possible.
पण एक मोठा प्रश्न तुका म्हणजे सध्या तुवें सांगला कोविडा टायमाचेर तुमकां इश्यू जाले दॅट इज नो क्रिमेटोरियम. सध्या लोकांक कितले पयस वचचो पडटा केस ऑफ फायनल रायट?
That is the main thing I spoke in front of the governor, that during the last tenure, the COVID tenure, because there is no crematorium, because we had been facing the problem. We have to take all our something happens, कोणाच्या घरात कोणाची जाल expired झालं, so we have to take them to Sada, we have to take them to Tarewada, because there is no other place over here. So that is the thing, that is the main issue. It means I think I just spoke in front of the governor because something can be done. So it's a very big issue, not only for the Hindu, but also for Muslim also. All Muslim and Hindu brothers, we can solve this problem. So it's a very big issue. So I just told whatever I can do from my side. Other remaining from the government as well as the MLA also. So we can bring up something to solve this issue.
Thank you. Sir.
सर आयज गव्हर्नराची मिटींग जाली आनी तेंच्यांनी जायते मुद्दे घेतले व्हेरी एनकरेजींग स्टेप फर्स्ट टायम गव्हर्नर एवरी विलेजीन वयता वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू से ऑन दीस
सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार खरेंच हांव पॉलिटिक्सान आसल्या 1991 हांव पॉलिटिक्सान येयलो. हांव ZP जालो सॉरी पंच जालो, डेप्युटी सरपंच जालो, 2 फावटी सरपंच जालो आनीक 2 फावटी ZP जालो. आतां MLA आसा. 32 इयर्स जाली जेन्ना हांवें इतले वर्सां हांवें पॉलिटिक्सान हांवें काम केलां. पूण तरी आसतना केन्नाच हांवें एज अ गव्हर्नर म्हूण जेन्ना इंटरेक्शन करपाक केन्ना घेवना. पूण पयलींच फावट 32 इयर्सान आनी हांव पळयतां जो गव्हर्नर विलेजान वयता आनी लोकांक मेवता. खरेंच हांव ताका काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कित्याक असली आमचे जे न्यूली इलेक्टेड जे मेंबर आसा ताका ताणें इंटरेक्शन आयज केल्लें आसा आनी बरें लोकांक ताणें आमच्या मेंबरांक बरें जें कितें भाशण दिलें आसा. आनी सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार खरेंच एक मुद्दो जावन आसा ताणें काडलो तो म्हटल्यार जेन्ना एक मेंबर इलेक्ट जाता तेन्ना मेंबरान खरेंच आपली फॅमिलीक सायडीक दवरून जे लोकांचें काम करतलो म्हणून ताणें आपलें काम करपाक जाय अशें ताणें एक भाशण दिलें आसा. खरेंच मागीर काळजाक सारको धोको बसलो. बरें सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार आमी तशें करता की बरें आमचे फॅमिलीक पळयनासतना आमी लोकांक आनी हांव असोच करून आमचे ग्रास रुटाचेर साकून आयज हांव एज अ पंच सरपंच ZP आनी आयज MLA लोकांनी MLA केलो आसा. म्हाका तसो लोकांचो मोग आसा जें कितें सांगलां ताका म्हाका बरें पडलां आनी हांव तशेंच करता काय दिसता अशें म्हाका. कित्याक जेन्ना कितें तेजें भाशण जालें तेन्ना खरेंच आमी आमचे फॅमिलीक सायडीक दवरून आमच्या लोकांची कामां करपाक आमी वावरूंक जाय. आनी अशें हांव मागता आमचे जे न्यूली इलेक्टेड पंच आसात ताणें हें भाशण आयकून म्हाका दिसता हे आमचे सगळे पंच सरपंच अशेंच काम करतले लोकां पासत आनी लोकां बरोबर रावतले इतलें सांगून. आनी खरेंच तो गांवांनी गांवांनी आयज भोंवता इतले लोकांक इंटरेक्शन करता. हांव खरेंच ताका शाबासकी दिता आनी ताच्या फॅमिलीक हांव बरें यश मागता.
थँक्यू सर थँक्यू.